Hello friends, welcome back. Part 5 of the restoration work of my Maruti 800 car. So today I'll be taking all my mechanical work is all over and I'll be taking the delivery of my car from here, and I would be getting it serviced, a water wash done because the car is in a very bad condition. Seats still have not been able to get hold of the original seats, so I don't know what am I going to do. I'll just wait for another few days if I'm able to source the original seats, nothing like it. तो अभी दिखाता हूँ मैं आपको कार. Just have a look at the car. So all the work in the car is done. Engine work, everything is done. Yesterday I had started the engine, the spark plugs are cleaned, and if you can see, the distributor leakage has also been arrested. He has put a new packing over here, so all the leakages have been stopped. The injectors are done. Then my suspension work, whole front suspension, back suspension work is done now, and all the oils have been changed. My gearbox oil, the brake oil, and coolant, everything has been changed. The engine oil, he told, does not need to be changed because it's it will run for another 4-5,000 kilometers. He told not to change the engine oil for now. Next service will change the engine oil. The light, the rear view mirror on the left side, it has been fixed now over here, and the light, this light had broken, so the new light has also got fixed over here. So practically all the work, mechanical work, is over. Now remains the main part. You can see the seats, it has withered out, it has got toned. This is the aging thing. If you can see over there also, the seats have all withered out. The back seats are still okay, but the side ones, front ones are bad. You can just see the front seats. So that's the problem. We are searching. Let's see if I'm able to get hold of it or not. If you see this fitting over here, he has forgot to fix the black portion. That is this plastic stuff is supposed to be fixed, which he has forgotten. I'll get that fixed now. There's the gearbox oil that has come out from the car. Fresh oil. Oh yeah, he's already put it. If you see, the oil is in bad condition. Now he's going to check the timing. So the timing work is over and the tuning of the engine is perfect. So he has fixed that missing part over here. That's also done. So the car is leaving out. After all the mechanical work, taking out for a test drive. car is running really smooth. No sound whatsoever coming. So just starting to drive, take a test drive of my car. Car is smooth. Really smooth movements. Only thing I'm feeling a brake is a little weak, but he's telling it's because he has cleaned it everything. There's a little bit of oil has all been changed. So just drive a little bit, it will get okay. The alignment is totally gone and the steering is removing the steering and going to straighten it. There it goes, he's removed it. There is the water, distilled water in the battery is a little less, so just topping it up over here itself in the workshop. So the battery, distilled water is already topped up in my battery. तो अभी तक आपने जैसे देखा, we had done taken the car delivery from the workshop after the mechanical work. तो all the mechanical work is over. There is still a little problem in the car. गाड़ी जब गर्म हो जाती है तो झटके आ रहे हैं. तो again I'll be going back workshop में गाड़ी दिया था, तो I'll be again going back there and getting it checked over there. The problem is very peculiar. Only while the car is heating up, heat हो जाता है, मतलब when the temperature is optimum level पर आ जाता है, only that time I am facing this problem. Lot of jerks coming in, like whenever you leave your accelerator, too much of jerks are coming in. When again you accelerate, again there's a jerk and only then it moves forward. So there is a very peculiar problem. तो वो दिखाना है उनको क्या प्रॉब्लम काय के लिए हो रहा है. तो it shouldn't be happening. तो that has to be shown over there. तो चलते हैं अभी पहले. We go to the workshop. As I told you, there are a lot of jerks coming when the car is at the optimum heated level. So we are trying to find out why that problem is. We are trying to change the coil and see first, is it because of that? We have put another coil now. Started the car. I'll have a test drive and see whether the jerks are there or not. So I did a test drive of the car after changing the coil, and the car was really smooth. And Ravi told me to drive the car for 2 days and see if the jerks are coming or not. If the jerks don't come, we are going to change the coil, and if the jerks persist, then we have to look in to some other problem, like probably the problem might be because of the fuel pump. So I'm going to test drive the car for next 2 days and check it thoroughly if the problem is with the coil. 99.9% the problem is with the coil only. Since I have been driving for the whole day today, I have not faced, after changing the coil, I have not faced any of those problems. So the problem is going to be with the coil. So probably after driving it for 2 days, I'll go back to him and get the coil changed. So I hope you would have liked the video, and if you have liked it, please do share it, please do like it, and please do subscribe to my channel. Until my next video, please wear your seat belts, drive safe, and enjoy your drive.